So the dish that we're making today is adobong chicken feet. It's mostly popular in the Philippines, and we've already made our chicken feet and it's already prepped and soft, and I will link that in the description box, the video. And we're gonna start with this one. So I will turn our heat up, put a little bit oil in the pan. Okay, I got a couple of cloves of garlic and I just want to give that a good smash. And a little bit of a rough chop just to get small pieces out of that. Should be good. Right, and in it goes in our oil. I've got our chicken feet here. And I would just use a couple of pieces because I do want to show you another recipe that I have. So I'll just gently put that there. And as you can see, they're like dry, cool, and kind of the gelatin, the collagen has come out of it. So I'll just get maybe 6 pieces here. All right. It's just so jiggly. I just want to use a little bit of that sauce. It's not salty, so I can use that just to enhance the flavor. So just, whoa, look at that. That's straight up jelly. Right there. So just put that. See it instantly melt. So to this, we will add a little bit more water. Right. And some soy sauce. Got some mushroom soy sauce here. Dark mushroom soy sauce. A tablespoon. A little bit of oyster sauce, good tablespoon as well. Now oyster sauce is sweet, so that would go well with the richness of the jelly, this dish. Now a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of more sugar. Just cook that out. You can add a little bit more water if you see that it's, and you have to remember the soy sauce and the little bit of stock that we used from yesterday is quite, you know, it's got salt in it, so you make sure that that's balanced out. While that is gently boiling, have your green onion, okay, the forever decoration vegetable for Chinese cooking and most of Asian cooking anyway. So just wait for that to cook on and soften up a bit more. Into this we'll also add in some sesame oil. And I've got a slurry made here, and slurry is basically just cornstarch with water, and we'll use that to thicken up the sauce on this dish. I can smell it. I can smell it, and it smells so good. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna add a little bit more water here. I want some sauce in there in my dish, and I love that with rice. Now you make sure that you have a hot water mixture here so that when we put the slurry, it'll just thicken it up right away. Alright, it's getting there. See bubbles coming out. So give that a good mix. Put in a splash. See how thick that goes. The consistency right. No, just a little bit more then. Alright. Alright. And when it starts thickening up like that and it coats the back of your spoon, then that should be good enough. Turn off the heat, and now we can add our sesame oil. Just maybe half a tablespoon. I put that in the end so that it coats our sauce with that sesame oil. And now we are ready to plate it. Just move this around. Plate here. All that lovely sauce there. And some green onion. And that's it. Actually, if you want to put some sesame seeds on that, that's fine. But this is the dish. Adobong chicken feet.